做
Do.
Do.
你在做什么？你在做什么？
What are you doing?
What are you doing?
做饭
Cook.
Cook.
我在做饭
I am cooking.
I am cooking.
他在做什么？
What is he doing?
What is he doing?
做中国菜
Cook Chinese food.
Cook Chinese food.
他在做中国菜
He is cooking Chinese food.
He is cooking Chinese food.
他在做什么？
What is she doing?
What is she doing?
做作业
Do homework.
Do homework.
他在做作业
She is doing homework.
She is doing homework.
他们在做什么？
What are they doing?
What are they doing?
他们在踢足球
They are playing football.
They are playing football.
你爸爸做什么工作？
What does your father do?
What does your father do?
我爸爸是开出租车的。
My dad drives a taxi.
My dad drives a taxi.
你妈妈是做什么的？
What does your mother do?
What does your mother do?
我妈妈是老师。
My mother is a teacher.
My mother is a teacher.
会做
Can do.
Can do.
她会做饭
She can cook.
She can cook.
不会做
Won't do.
Won't do.
他不会做饭
He can't cook.
He can't cook.
学做
Learn to do.
Learn to do.
他学做饭
He learns to cook.
He learns to cook.
做好
Already done.
Already done.
菜什么时候能做好？
When will the dish be ready?
When will the dish be ready?
做好了
It's ready.
It's ready.
做好了吗？
Has it been done?
Has it been done?
菜做好了，去叫爸爸来吃饭。 菜做好了，去叫爸爸来吃饭。
The dishes are ready. Go and call Dad for dinner.
The dishes are ready. Go and call Dad for dinner.
谁做的？
Who did it?
Who did it?
这些菜是谁做的？
Who made these dishes?
Who made these dishes?
我做的。
I made it.
I made it.
是我做的。是我做的。
I did it.
I did it.
他做的菜比我做的好吃。他做的菜比我做的好吃。
His cooking is better than mine.
His cooking is better than mine.
儿子爱吃我做的菜。儿子爱吃我做的菜。
My son loves my cooking.
My son loves my cooking.
做得好。做得好。
Well done.
Well done.
爸爸比妈妈做饭做得好。爸爸比妈妈做饭做得好。
Dad cooks better than Mum.
Dad cooks better than Mom.
爸爸做的比妈妈好。爸爸做的比妈妈好。
Dad does better than Mum.
Dad does better than Mom.
今天的菜做得很好吃。今天的菜做得很好吃。
Today's dishes are delicious.
Today's dishes are delicious.
谢谢观看。